Let's say you're a college student and your major is programming. You have a professor that is teaching you programming, doing lectures. Take your professor as an advice giver. Ask him to review your recent project that you did in your free time. You should align some time with your professor where you can talk about your code. 5 to 10 minutes is more than enough. Be very respectful towards the professor's time. Most of the professors would love to give a student like you some of their free time in order to help. If you don't go to college, then find a person that is at least better than you at programming. But it would be much better if you find a professional, since he can give you a much more qualitative feedback. People love when somebody asks them for help and advices. Such questions makes them feel more important, so don't be shy to ask anybody for a feedback. This is basically the best routine for improving any skill. First you do a project and then you ask a professional for a review. You do another project and use what you have learned from the feedback. Then you ask for the feedback again. Then you repeat and repeat this. It's all about the reps and how many you do of them. Don't forget to be consistent with this routine. Use that technique and magic will start to happen. And trust me guys, I'm speaking from experience. Back when I was learning how to program, I was constantly asking my friend, who was a better programmer than me, for a review. That's where my knowledge expanded and I've got better as a programmer. So go and implement this routine.